Hey, it's the Cali Griot. I have something important to tell you about the kids. If you're a parent, if you're planning on activities with children, the variant has really increased, and a lot of children are going to the hospital and becoming hospitalized. So, of course, we know what is being recommended. So, I just want to make you aware of what the news says. All right? And you know I got it. Here we go. This is off of Morning News Now, and it's 13 minutes in, and let's see what they got to tell you.
So just clear some of this up for us, because from the start of the pandemic, we've been talking about how kids were either not catching COVID, or it wasn't being detected, or it really wasn't a concern for them. I remember there being lots of conversation about, so I guess kids can still go outside and play with other kids because they're not really catching the virus, things like that. So what is changing now? And tell us exactly what it is that's causing more children to be hospitalized. What does a parent need to know about the potential impact of COVID on their kids at this point in the virus, with the way it's mutated and with the way that we're handling it?
So with this particular variant with Omicron, because it is so much more highly contagious, I mean, it's basically spreading like wildfire. So I can tell you that over the last 2 weeks with this winter break, almost every single child that has come in with any type of respiratory issues, whether it's cough or runny nose, has tested positive. So I think that's probably the biggest change. And as I stated before, even though the kids for the most part are faring well when it comes to not getting severe disease, even a mild illness, people are still utilizing our healthcare system. And when you have so many people coming in at the same time that are infected, the hospital system is basically stretched to capacity. And so I think that that's the biggest problem. And the other thing I would add is that it's not only COVID. We have other respiratory viruses that are circulating at this time, so including influenza and RSV, which causes bronchiolitis. So we're seeing in hospitalized children where they're coming in with multiple viruses, and I think that's the biggest issue right now.
And this new
There you go. The Cali Griot. Check the breaking news playlist. Come back and see me again.